It's Bonnie. I am back with my Allure July bag. Now, I've been getting Allure now for probably like 2 or 3 years, long time. And it's funny because they actually partnered up with um, Huda this month also, which is what we got in the Ipsy Plus, which I thought was kind of interesting. So here's the thing with Allure. I I had it and then I got rid of it and then they offered me some Lamur cream, so I got it back. And I'm thinking about getting rid of it again, so I went to cancel and they're like, "Oh, you can have 4 boxes for $40." And I'm kind of like, I don't know. I gotta think about it. I like Allure, but it's a $15 box. And sometimes it's hit or miss that I'm always like, I'm not always sure that like I use everything in Allure. But if you're someone who likes a lot of face products, they're usually a good choice because they do offer like a lot of face products. Although um, this time we did get some makeup stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got in here. This is, I don't know if I'm going to go, okay, I'll go through the book here. So this is kind of interesting that they actually partnered with Huda and they actually called it the Huda Box. And then the first thing we got was, and I'm not going to open this because I think I'm going to gift this. This is a matte liquid lipstick, which it's packaged really pretty. Look at that, but the color is like a bright red. It's alluring. I'll probably never wear this shade, so I'm going to gift this. I'm not even taking it out of the box. So if you like liquid lipstick with the matte, that's a good product. So next up, we have, and see, this is one of the reasons that I'm kind of like, eh, again on Allure because I did get another set of the eyelashes, and oh my gosh, I don't know if I just have like a problem with eyelashes, but I am almost 50, and number one, I don't even think I would look good in false eyelashes. Number two, the actual coordination it would take to put these on, I'd probably have them stuck to my forehead. So I don't know. I envy the young girls who can actually put eyelashes on successfully because it's not me. So I will gift these out too. I don't know. I'm eyelash false eyelash challenged. Those are $20 retail. How much is the? I'm not sure what the lipstick is. And then we got a perfume sample, which I mean these are nice, but I'm kind of on the perfume samples. Next up, we got, what is this? You're going to want to see this sneak peek. It's a scratch off. I don't want to get my fingernails dirty, so I'm not going to scratch. Maybe I will. I hate these scratch offs because then I get gook under my fingernails. What the heck is this even? I don't even get why they put a scratch off in here. This is kind of funny. So it is Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. Is this like each one's a different scratch off? This is really weird. I don't know why they did this. Multitask eye serum. I'm just spending my entire video scratching. I do like the is that Michigan that does the lottery ticket with the hamsters? Like I just ruined it. Not a very good scratcher here. I just completely ruined it. The Ohio, not the Ohio lottery, the Michigan lottery, I think it is, does this really cute commercial of hamsters scratching. And I just ruined this one. So my scratch off ticket is just garbage. Why did they just tell us? I feel like Kramer, why don't you just tell me what you want? Remember movie phone? Anyway, I'm just getting goofy here. So anyway, next up, I'm not sure if I always get confused with Allure too. Am I supposed to get both of these or just one of these? I got the Too Faced Hangover, which to me doesn't feel like a super um, beneficial product because they give these out like candy like everywhere. So, like, come on. Now I'm just getting all crabby. Although I am smelling my nice peach candle, which is putting me in a better mood. Then it says Urban Decay Eye Pencil, which I clearly did not get. I am not seeing any eye pencil. I did not get an eye pencil. Was I supposed to get an Urban Decay eye pencil? I don't think I got it. Unless that was one of the three choices that maybe your box contains either Too Faced Hangover, Benefit Cabral, or Okay, so you were supposed to get one of these three, which, none of them are all that appealing to me. This box feels really kind of lame this month, and I usually don't say that. Okay, we got a texturizing hairspray from Way. I have so much texturizing. This actually just made up my mind that that I'm actually not getting Allure back. Honestly, like as far as the boxes, I've kind of like moved away from doing too many beauty boxes because, like I said, I was getting way too many products, and I'm focusing on like the Bath and Body Works, the Lush. I'm gonna have a couple of like cool makeup things that I actually want to get, like that Wet and Wild Pac-Man set, which is coming tomorrow. I want to start focusing on a lot of stuff that I want, and I'm like I said, I'm moving away from the boxes a little bit, except for BoxyCharm, Ipsy Plus, and am I getting another one? I can't remember. But anyway, FabFitFun I get. I'm not crazy about these little plastic bags either. I don't really do anything with them. Let's go to the Goodwill bag. Okay, I'm just being really, really crabby today, aren't I? So anyway, our final thing is, and this is a $26 value, which I would never in a million years pay $26 for hairspray, which is why I got the box. I have so much hairspray. Okay, so next up, we have the Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. Yes, there's a little snail on it. It's not made of snails, is it? Oh my god, it's snail secretion. Oh my gosh, I was totally joking. Okay, I love Tony Moly. Tony Moly's awesome. And I'm probably just completely uneducated, and snail secretion is probably like an amazing thing for your face. But holy cow, yeah, it smells gross and sticky. But this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. Okay, I am not putting snail slime on my face. I just draw the line, and it's funny because I'm an outdoorsy girl. I fish, I'll pick up a toad. I have no fear of worms, but I'm not putting snail slime on my face. So that's a $10 value. But I was just like, I just did not win this month at all. Allure. That's okay. Like I said, Allure, they're a great company. I'm not like dissing them at all. They have a lot of good stuff, but I just think it's really funny that I got a snail mask, I got the hangover cream, I got a perfume, I got some eyelashes, I got a red matte lipstick, and I got some hairspray. So this is like literally the saddest beauty box I've gotten in a long time just because none of the products matched anything I like. So I think I'm gonna take a break from Allure for a little while, and I'm gonna concentrate on, like I said, I want to start getting I love palettes in the fall. Honestly, like I know Too Faced is coming out with some good ones and Tarte. I'd rather spend like the $15. I'd like to put it towards like a palette that I love, and then I'll demo out the palettes for you guys because I like doing that too, and I like collecting palettes. So anyway, there's my Allure story. And then I'm going to gift out my snail mask to one of my younger cousins who probably would appreciate it more than me, along with the eyelashes and the matte lipstick. So anyway, have an awesome day, you guys. And cross your fingers, PB&J comes tomorrow. Bye-bye.